Turning rain into a resource. Mellifiq delivered a fully automated purification solution that collects, purifies, and reuses rooftop runoff, transforming rainwater harvesting into a sustainable source for everyday water use within the confined space of an underground parking garage. Managing more than 27,000 residential units and 1,000 commercial spaces, MKB is one of Sweden's largest public housing companies and plays a central role in Malmö's urban development. As part of its environmental responsibility, the company has committed to achieving climate-neutral construction and housing by 2030. Treating rainwater as a resource is a natural progression toward that ambition, where harvested water, reused for laundry and the irrigation of garden plots, would further promote circular practices and resource efficiency. Turning that vision into reality required a system capable of purifying water with high efficiency, operating reliably with full automation, and being designed to fit not only within the constrained space of the underground parking garage, but also through its narrow entrance. To meet these requirements, Mellifiq designed a fully automated solution from the ground up to fit within a footprint no larger than 4 standard parking spaces. The entire system is monitored and controlled through a central HMI platform, providing real-time data tracking and remote access. Intelligent automation within the system ensures reliable performance, even as load conditions and water quality vary over time. Harvested rooftop runoff and stormwater pass through a coarse pre-filter, removing larger debris before being stored in 2 custom-made 15 cubic meter raw water tanks, where it remains temporarily before treatment. The stored water passes through a cartridge filter that removes fine particulate matter and suspended solids, protecting the downstream purification stage and improving overall efficiency. At the heart of the filtration process is the HydraLuxe, a membrane purification unit using flat sheet membranes made of silicon carbide, known for their durability and minimal maintenance needs. The HydraLuxe removes particles, bacteria, and other contaminants down to 0.1 microns, ensuring high water quality. The treated water is then stored in 2 alternating 500-liter permeate tanks, ready for distribution. Booster pumps ensure a steady and reliable flow to its points of use, garden plots and laundry facilities. By turning rooftop runoff and stormwater into a local resource, pressure on the municipal infrastructure is reduced while valuable drinking water is conserved. This solution not only demonstrates how decentralized water reuse can support everyday sustainability, but also how Mellifiq's expertise enables precise tailoring to different site-specific conditions, making it ideal for similar residential areas with varying spatial and operational needs.